Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Chris and my video today is a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and it is also my very first giveaway, which I am really excited about. So my channel is fast approaching 1,000 subscribers, and I always knew that I wanted to do a really nice giveaway when I reached 1,000 subscribers to thank everybody who has subscribed and who has watched and followed me over the past 2 years. Some people's channels grow really quickly. Mine was one of those slow and steady ones, but I'm finally reaching 1,000 and I'm really excited about this. But before I unbox what I have, I do want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed. If you are familiar at all with my channel, you probably have seen me before. I talk about handbags and shoes and things like that. And the reason that I started my channel was because I love those things, and frankly, nobody in my family or my friends are really interested in it. So I decided to create a channel so I could just reach out and find like-minded individuals like me who enjoy the same things that I like. And it was amazing right from the start. So many people are so kind. It really is a wonderful community of luxury lovers that we have here on YouTube. Everybody's been very kind, very supportive. I love your comments, and it's just been a great experience overall. So I did want to say thank you to everyone, like I said, who has subscribed, and I'm going to get right into the unboxing. Okay, so my item is right here. It arrived yesterday and I had to hold back and not open it because I wanted to open it on camera. So I'll just do the pull tab first. I have all of my information locked off there. There we go. So we'll open that up and you can see it is from Louis Vuitton. And nothing really outrageously different here. We got the information. This is probably my receipt. If there's anything else in here besides a receipt, like authenticity cards or anything, all of that will be coming with the item. And then the item is in the box here. So before I handle it, I know it's COVID and all of that, plus it is a brand new item. I am going to put gloves on so that I don't soil it in any way, and the winner of this item does not have to worry about anything happening to it. Okay, so here is the box right here. You can see it is a small item, and it is in the typical Louis Vuitton box, which is like your little drawer right here. You will be getting all of this that you see right here. So we'll open it up. Now, I knew I wanted to have a nice giveaway, and I was kind of stalking the website looking for this thing because it's really hard to find, and I could never find it. It was always out of stock. Of course, you can't go to the stores because the stores are closed, but I was persistent, and eventually, really the other day, I logged on to louisvuitton.com one morning and I spotted this item. It said place in cart, so I placed it in my cart and it has arrived. So it is in its little dust bag here. And here it is. It is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. And inside here, of course, is your little chain. And all of the authenticity cards are inside as well. So this is in the monogram canvas. It is the little key pouch that you've probably seen before. They're very difficult to find online. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I have seen people use this as a bag charm. They hang it on their bag, and of course you have the little clippy, I don't know how it works. Let's see. We'll figure it out. Pull it, push it. I don't know. I don't have my glasses on, so I'll figure it out eventually. I'm sure there's a trick to how that works, but I have seen people hang it on their bags, which is a really cute idea. Of course, you can put your keys in here. You could use it for change. You can use it for your earbuds or whatever strikes your fancy. I would imagine that you can even put your ID. Maybe you have a card or an ID from work that you have to swipe or something. You could probably put all of that in there. But everything will come with the item. And I did choose this specifically because I thought it was unisex. I think everybody could get a lot of use out of this item, and I just think it's really cute, and it's a really sweet Louis Vuitton item, and it's kind of an essential. I was looking at the consignment websites thinking, well, maybe I can find one in pristine condition, and actually they were charging like $60, $70 more at least than the actual retail price. So that's why I stuck with it, was very persistent, finally found it, and I'm super excited about this item. So enough handling for today. I will put it back in its little dust bag right here. So this is going to be the actual item that you will be receiving. The details of the giveaway are as follows. So the first thing I need you to do is subscribe to my channel, and then hit the like button and leave a comment to let me know that you want to enter into the giveaway. So all you have to do really is put enter me, or I'd like to be entered in the giveaway, that will be fine. And then go over to Instagram and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Meet Penelope, just like my YouTube name is. So you can go over there and follow me on Instagram as well. So I will have all of the information down in the description box to follow the steps. There should be 3 or 4 steps, something like that. But if you are using a different username for YouTube than you are for Instagram, please make sure that you let me know in the comments section so that I can match you up and put you into the drawing. So I will be giving this away when I do reach my 1,000th subscriber. I will be videotaping it, so I'll be picking the number. I guess I'm going to give everybody a number, and then I will pick the number randomly through some kind of a random number generator or something. I'll do it on camera, and then I will contact the winner. If the winner doesn't contact me within a reasonable period of time, then I'll have to go back and contact another winner. But that is going to be it for the giveaway. So once again, follow all of those details down below in my description box. And once again, I just want to say thank you very much to the people who have subscribed and the people who have been subscribed right from the beginning. I really do appreciate it, and YouTube has really been a wonderful experience for me. So that is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck to everyone, and I hope to see you again soon to announce the winner. Until my next video, take care.